My name is Daryl and I just watched a video for BeaverCraft carving tools, and they put out a challenge to show case the tools that you've bought from BeaverCraft. And I've always been really happy with the equipment that I've bought from them, so I thought this would be an easy thing for me to do. Here, I'll show you what I've gotten so far. Well, one of the first things I bought was a nice spoon knife with a really long handle to get into some deep areas if I want to make a bowl or a deep cup. Then I bought a nice spoon knife just to kind of work on some of those kind of fun little spoon projects by the campfire at night. And then I ended up getting one of their starting whittling kits. Came with a really cool, nice whittling knife, a strop, and some compound to put on it so I can keep it good and sharp. Nice protection for my thumb, and a cool little project and a video for it that I'm really getting excited to try. What BeaverCraft has done for me is let me get some high quality equipment and tools for a price that is not going to break me. I can still get my tools and still take my family out to have pizza at the end of the week. Everything that I've bought from them has been really, high quality stuff. And it is something that I'm really appreciative over, and it's a hobby that I've really kind of began to love, and it's because I've been able to get the right equipment, and it's really helped me progress. So I'm going to start carving a little owl bookmark that I learned from another YouTube station. And we'll get it going. So it starts with just a stick. I start out quartering it and then making an X with my knife. I don't know if you can see that. And then I took from the center of the X and started to kind of flatten it out straight back. And then I'm going to go from the back and take that up to point as well. So we got that. There's the front. Then I'm going to make a little triangle right at the top here. So that's where I'm at now. If I take this black little marker here, I can do two eyes real quick. So there he goes. And then I will shave this part up here to be flat. It's always just kind of fun kind of watching how it progresses. And there's something always satisfying about watching the little shavings go away. Then I'll take the bottom and I will round the bottom off, and then make little triangles along the side to make it look like feathers. And you can make as many of those as you want. And then there you have it, a little owl bookmark that you can do. Not too long, a lot of fun. My daughter likes it a lot. When I give them to her, she uses them for bookmarks at school. So there you go. Thanks BeaverCraft for making a very good product that's a lot of fun to use, and it's given me a lot of hours of enjoyment. Thank you.